We've got a good night planned. We're planning on deep dish pizza in the iron skillet for dinner. And for breakfast we have cereal and bacon. So we're going to fry some bacon on the fire in the morning and have some cereal. We're going to be here. We're going to do it, rain or shine. We're going to have a camp out.
If you like our videos, please like and subscribe.
I showed you one of my previous videos that this hand sanitizer, and that's what this is. It does double purpose. It not only helps us keep our hands clean while we're camping, but it also is good for helping start fires. So it sounds like the little granddaughter's making her way up here. So yep, we're going to get a fire going here in a minute. Appears to burn pretty good with this Coleman. They say the small canisters last a lot longer, but somebody said that they didn't burn as hot. Maybe it doesn't, but that's going to be sufficient for boiling me water for coffee in the morning, maybe tonight. As you can see, because of the downpour, our little entry area is already muddy. Got water pooled on it. Let's hope that the rain's over for good, but it doesn't really look like it. The sky looks really, put you up here so you can see it. It's dark. They said it was supposed to stop raining at 11 a.m. today, and it is now, I think, approximately about 3 p.m. We just had our last downpour just probably 30 minutes ago. But the tent's waterproof, I hope. I sprayed it twice, so. Well,
I just thought all screwed up.
Lee just told me his tablet was dying, so lucky we brought the EcoFlow. She's at 98%. They say you don't want to charge them to 100%. I guess it's bad for the battery, but it stops itself at 98%. And so she's full, and that way we can keep his tablet going all night long.
Grandma. Drop it in the fire.
Honey, is this mine or yours?
I don't want to get.
Worked pretty good. Well, we just got a gust of wind. I thought we was going to get run inside. butter the skillet really good. I think I'll do the sides. I'll probably just spray the sides with Pam. I want a little bit of this in here for flavor though. If I make this and it don't turn out and it's awful, I probably won't tell you. No, I'm just kidding. I'll tell you. We're always honest on this channel, that's for sure. We'll spray the sides. Of course, I think it's going to run off anyway. Fire's good and hot. I guess about 10 or 12 minutes after we put that on there, we ought to have some pizza. As soon as this fire gets warm, we'll mix her up. Right here's our dinner. We're going to try to make a pizza in a cast iron skillet right here. Heating the water up for the pizza mix right now. And as soon as the water gets warmed up, we'll get you back here so you can watch us in the process. It said very warm water. I've got the water very warm, so we'll dump her in here. I guess I'll just use this to steer it because I don't have anything to steer it with. This is supposed to make two 12-inch pizzas, but I'm gonna pour a little more water in it. Awful thick. We'll call it camping with Carl and cooking with Carl and whatever we want to call it. And the pizza. See how it's doing? Oh my. Look at that. It's really coming along. Wow, what do you guys think? Let that set there cool just a little bit. And then we're going to get into it, and I bet you it's going to be good. Well, the pizza was good. Very good. The top. The bottom was burnt, and I'll tell you why I had to leave it in too long to get it done. It's enough for 2 pizzas, and I should have just made 1 package. So next time we know, we live and learn. So the top was really, really good. You can see here we got 2 pieces left. But it was just too done on the bottom, so we couldn't enjoy the bottom crust. But live and learn, keep on trucking. Well, it's been an eventful day. It's starting to get dusk out, and we're going to be turning in here pretty soon. But this is what it's all about. Just coming out here and enjoying nature and sitting in the woods and listening to the birds and watching the caterpillars come out of the tree. That's what it's all about, just being with family and not worrying about anything and just getting everything off your plate, just having a good time. That's what it is, have a good time. You got anything you want to say?
I seen another caterpillar right there.
You seen another caterpillar?
Yep, there's 2 of them.
Are you having a good time?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm having a good time with the caterpillars.
Huh?
With the caterpillars.
You have anything else you want to say to the camera?
I'm Camper Van Leland.
You're Camper Van Leland. You know, it's about time to call it a night. I almost said it's time to hunker down. That's a well-known catchphrase used by another YouTuber. So, but it is time to hunker down, and it's been a great day. It's been a great day. I can't say how good it is. get up in the morning and we'll start over again, and it's going to be another great day. But good night, YouTube, and remember to love each other. Let yourself be loved. Sometimes it's hard to let yourself be loved by others. And we'll see you.
Good cup of coffee in the morning. It's cold this morning. Good morning. I slept pretty good. It's the first time in a long time that I've get out and slept on the ground. It was different. One of them sleeping pads that you get from Walmart. It made a difference, a little bit of a difference. I still want to get a cot. But all in all, it's been a good memory to make with my grandchildren. Leland's still asleep. I got up in the middle of the night, threw a couple logs on the fire about 3:30 and got the fire back up. The coals were still there this morning when I got up, so I threw a couple logs on it this morning. All in all, I'll say it was a successful memory, and I look forward to many more.